Hello fabulous artists! Welcome back to another video of Art with Ms. Nelson. So today I wanted to show you how to make these really cool beads that you can put on a necklace, a bracelet, or if you're someone who doesn't wear necklaces or bracelets, you can make them for a special decoration in your room or in your house. April 22nd, which is coming up pretty quick, it is something called Earth Day. Earth Day is a really fun day that we get to celebrate the earth. It's kind of like Mother Nature's birthday. And one way that we can kind of make her a present or show that we really appreciate the earth is by making art or creating something using recycled materials, which newspaper happens to be. So this might be a fun project to do on Earth Day if you're looking for something to do on that day. So let me show you the materials and we can go ahead and get started. So the materials that you will need for this project are some sort of paper, something like newspaper or construction paper would work just fine, a pair of scissors, some glue, a glue bottle or a glue stick would work, and some sort of stick. Now I'm using a wooden dowel that I found, but if you have something like a skewer that you might find in your kitchen, that would work too. So the first step is to cut your paper. So here are a couple of choices that you're going to have to make. If you are using newspaper, you need to decide what part of the newspaper you want to use. Maybe there's one page that has a lot of fun colors that you like more than other pages. The second thing is you need to decide how wide you want your beads to be. So I think I'm going to make a little cut right here because I want my beads to be this wide. Now the next step is to go ahead and cut a triangle shape, a very, 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 very long triangle shape for your beads. Now, step 3 is we're actually going to separate this, and one at a time you're going to take your stick and you're going to carefully roll it really tight all the way until you can't roll it anymore. And you're going to roll it back a little bit, take your glue and put dot dot dot, not a lot, and then roll it back up. And if you have a little bit of extra glue, you might want to just roll it around all the creases in your beads. And when it stays and sticks, you might want to hold it for maybe 10 seconds. You can slide it off and start again.
Now I sped up the camera for this part, but the steps that you're going to follow are just the same. You're going to cut that long triangle, roll it on your stick, then dot, 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 not a lot, until you have a whole bunch of beads, just like I will in one moment.
Here we have our beads. Just like I showed you, you can make ones that are really tall and some that are really short. Now, one other thing that you can do with these is you can either find a string or some sort of stretchy material and put it through the beads to make a necklace. Or you can add them onto one of your necklaces you already have. I'm going to add my beads to one of the necklaces I already have, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here's the necklace I'm going to add them to. All I'm doing is I unhooked the latch. I think I'm going to take the charm off actually, which is like a fun theater mask charm, and I'm going to put that in a very special place, maybe in my jewelry box. You could do that too if you have one. And I'm just going to carefully thread on some of my beads that I made. Make sure to re-latch it so that it's secure, and there we go. Here's an up-close video of those beads that we just made on that necklace. All right, my most fabulous artists. Well, here I am with my beautiful necklace that I just made with those beads I showed you how to do. I hope you had fun with this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.